I'm Darren Bear of the Yacht Trader, and I'm excited to introduce you to my latest listing, a 2013 Sunseeker Predator 84 Fly. This exceptional yacht is powered by twin Caterpillar engines. It sleeps 8 guests plus 3 crew and offers unparalleled comfort, style, and power. With less than 20 ever built, this gently loved yacht, located in South Florida, is listed at just under $2.5 million and ready for a new owner. DM me to discover more.